Welcome to the future of car washing. Imagine a world where you no longer need soap and water to clean your car. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, it's not. Welcome to the revolutionary touchless car wash system. This isn't your typical car wash. It's a game changer, a disruptor in the car washing industry. It's an innovative system that cleans your car without even touching it. The touchless car wash system uses advanced technology to remove dirt, grime, and even the tiniest particles from your car. It's not just about cleaning, it's about preserving your car's paint job and keeping it looking brand new for longer. So how does it work? The touchless car wash system uses high-powered jets of air to blast away dirt and grime. It's like a high-tech air shower for your car. And the best part? It's environmentally friendly. No soap, no water, no waste. Just a clean, shiny car. The touchless car wash system is not just a car wash, it's a revolution in car care. So the next time you think about washing your car, think touchless. Embrace the future of car care with the amazing new touchless car wash system. It's time to say goodbye to the old ways and hello to the new. Welcome to the future of car washing.